Hi everyone, I'm Nikita, your VARC mentor. Let's talk about the 3 rules that you need to excel in the VARC section. Rule number 1, solve as many passages and of as many genres as you can. Okay, so I've listed some sources here, take their help. Rule number 2, be consistent with VARC practice. Don't give these gaps that, in 1 week I am not practicing VARC at all. I'm just going for quant. That doesn't help, particularly for your RCs. Okay. For a detailed schedule, you can refer to this YouTube session that I took, 2 months golden tips for VARC. I've even given you the link. Rule 3, resolve the incorrect questions. Whenever you get a question wrong, don't just straight away look at the right answer, rather resolve it and see if now you're able to land on the correct answer. You need to understand why your answer is incorrect and why the one that is given, that is extended, is correct. Very important, will help you with your subsequent mock. Okay, so these are the 3 tips from my side. All the best. Bye.